Iodine deficiency can occur in multiple ways. One way is from eating groycogens, and this is what happened to me about a month ago. I was eating lots of broccoli, and my energy levels just disappeared. I was training, and I was like, "What's going on?" My energy levels, I just felt this like out of energy. My heart was like beating irregularly. I didn't know what was going on. And my inspiration showed me seaweed, and I was like, seaweed. And I was like, oh, iodine. So I remember I still had some dried seaweed, and I soaked it and cooked it. And within 20 minutes, my energy levels started to become replenished. And signs of low iodine levels, because iodine, the reason I was feeling fatigued like that is because iodine, it stimulates a hormone in your thyroid, and this helps to regulate your metabolism, your body heat temperature, regulates your hormones, and your energy, helps with your energy. And this is one of the reasons why I was feeling so fatigued, because of the iodine deficiency. And luckily I had that seaweed, and the seaweed that I was eating was digitata kelp, and 1 gram of digitata kelp is in weight is about 1,000 to 1,500 grams of iodine. It has 1,000 to 1,500 grams of iodine, and the upper level of iodine in digitata kelp is 2,000 to 2,500 micrograms of iodine. And the daily recommendation for adults 19 years and older of iodine is 190. So that's a lot of iodine. And I needed that though, because my iodine levels dropped low. And then I was eating Alaria escalente, and it has a little bit lower amounts of iodine, 100 to 200 micrograms of iodine per gram in weight. Still a lot if the daily recommendation of iodine is only 190 for adults, 190 micrograms. So 1 gram in weight of Alaria is still it's still good if you're getting your daily amount of iodine every day. But if your iodine levels are low, then the digitata kelp is the way to go, because there's lots of iodine, and my energy levels just felt replenished when I ate that seaweed. And I'll be making a video on how to cook dried seaweed. So if you're experiencing the symptoms of low iodine or iodine deficiency, such as irregular heartbeat, low body heat temperature, your metabolism isn't feeling right, you might want to eat some iodine. You might want to eat some iodine-rich foods from seaweed. And seaweed is a healthy way to get your iodine. It's like a natural way versus taking like supplements from those iodine supplements. So there you go. So always make sure to check your iodines. Make sure to check your iodine levels if you're feeling those symptoms.